Hi everyone.
Hi, Ravi.
Hello. I see one extra login, guys. Did you log in twice? Anyone? Hello. So did anyone log in twice? I see one extra login user. Some stable 5 user. As is that you? I think it's Devi. She'll join back. Right. Okay. So in last class, what we discussed is flexible management. We are continuing it. So we discussed total 5 steps, right? First, creating profiles. Next, adding or node to admin agent. Then admin agent to job manager, deployment manager to job manager, and finally schedule the jobs by using job manager, right? So we are going to continue flexible management today as well. So let us see what are the next concepts. So before that, I am starting job manager and admin agent. See what are the commands to start them and stop them. Go to bin directory, normal command only, start server space admin agent. Similarly, I am starting job manager also. Start server space job manager server name is jobmgr. Okay, job manager server name is jobmgr. Let them start. In yesterday's class we have seen how to add standalone to admin agent, right? Okay, job manager is started and the admin agent is also started. I'm starting deployment manager. Right, everything is up now. First, let me open job manager console and show you. I remember job manager port number is 9960. Just use as usual slash IBM slash console. Opening. Login. See here, if you want to see jobs and all, if you want to submit a job is nothing but we discussed yesterday, right? Any activity is called as a job here. So if I want to select anything, it doesn't show you anything because you haven't added your environment here to do something. You got my point? I did not add any node from DMGR or admin agent in order to schedule something. That is why it doesn't show you anything until unless you add your nodes, you configure your nodes. So to job manager, we could not add our nodes directly. We have to go, either through admin agent or through deployment manager. So this is what we are going to do now. So first I'll add admin agent. In fact, we are adding standalone node via admin agent. With the help of admin agent, we are adding standalone node. That is what we are going to do now. See how I am doing. First, open admin agent's console. So I don't remember the port number of admin agent. Let me check. Program files, IBM, Websphere, App Server 8.5. Files, admin agent, logs. So here the name is admin console port and the port number is 9064. Whatever. Okay, I gave see here, I'm logging as admin agent node only. I'm not going to standalone. Okay. Yesterday we configured this. I'm going to admin agent node only. Log in with it. Now come to administration, administrative agent. So here, go to nodes. Here you can see whatever the node that you registered, right? So here, select the standalone node that we have and just click on register with job manager. Very simple. But we need to provide a few details. Host name of job manager we should provide here. So here it is on my same machine, so I'm giving localhost, but you can give any host name if your job manager is on that host, or IP address, whatever is fine. So for now it is on same machine, so I'm giving localhost. And port number, right? This is the port number of job manager. This is the port number of job manager. Usually this port number is job manager's console port number. Remember, this port number is job manager's console port number. So what port number I used for job manager console, I should give that port number here. So it's 9960, right? So give the same port number here. If it is HTTPS, that is 9943 actually. We are using normal HTTP only, no security enabled, so that port number. Username and password. If you enable security, right, you should give usernames and passwords. If no security is enabled, right, not required anything, just say okay. It is in progress. See, it's completed. Now we have added our standalone to job manager via admin agent. Okay, through admin agent we added our node to job manager. Let us see how it works. Come to job manager console back. Just log out and re-log in. Okay. Now go to jobs, submit. Earlier there was nothing to submit, right? But this time you can submit. See, you can collect a file, you can configure properties, you can create application server, you can delete, you can distribute a file, means you can copy one to another, install application, remove file, start server, stop server, everything you can do. You can run a script. See, WS admin script also we can run. If we have this, what else we need? The script can do everything. So for now, I'm starting server, okay? Because The standalone server in admin agent is down. I did not start. I'm going to start it now. Say next. So find so we need to select a node, right, to start a server. With server from which node? So here you can see the list of nodes that you have added to job manager. Only one node we added, that is through admin agent. So I select this node. Next, see server name, that also you can find. Okay, node name, it is not mandatory actually. You can give next. See, this screen is very important to understand. Schedule the job is the option here. Email address to get the notification once it is completed or not. Make the job available now means once you click on finish, it will execute immediately. Once you click on finish, right, it will execute immediately. Schedule the job means if you give some time, right, the job executes at that particular time. Tomorrow date, tomorrow time, if you give, right, it executes tomorrow. Expiration. So when does this job expire? See, by default it expires in 1 day. Once it executes, right, in 1 day it will be gone. It will be removed automatically. Or you can give a date so that it can last for some time. And finally, when to run this? Do you want to run daily once or weekly, monthly by day, monthly by date, yearly by day, yearly by date? See, I am selecting monthly by day, let us say. So, first week or second week or third week or fourth week or last week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Time, everything you can give very clearly here. So I'm just selecting run at once means it runs once you click on finish. That's it. So this screen is important, guys. Just remember availability, expiration, and job interval frequency. How many times you want to run? I set all by default. Let them be finished. So see here the states. This is the job ID, some number. Here if you see green color, success, partial, failed, incomplete. If you see here, it is incomplete. You see gray color, right? So give it for some time. It will start the server, then it turns into green. Let us wait for a minute. Now I'm just going to refresh once to see. Okay, see it's green color. You can click on it. It shows you the status. See, succeeded. Job ID, what time it took, how much time it took, and all. See, at this particular point of time we started. It took hardly 1 minute or 2 minutes to complete. Just back. Now log into admin agent. See, this is admin agent console. Just log out and re-log in. I'm selecting to standalone because I want to see whether it is running or not. So select the server. See, I didn't start this server, but by using job manager, I scheduled a job. It ran. That's it. So this is the advantage of job manager. Suppose your task is to start this server at 10 o'clock. You have some work outside. You can go by just scheduling this. You'll get a notification once after completion. If you configure mail ID. Very simple. So this is how we can schedule jobs by using job manager. So now we have seen how to work with admin agent and job manager. Now I'm going to configure deployment manager to job manager. Hope we are clear, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. This is completely configuration only. So just see if you have any questions and ask me. I'm just opening DMGR console. This is the DMGR port number 9061, I think. So this is deployment manager's console. Come to system administration. Here, deployment manager. So see here, job managers. Register with job manager. Host name, port number of job manager. Okay. See, in earlier case, I configured standalone via admin agent. This time I am directly configuring DMGR. So whatever the nodes federated to DMGR will be added to job manager. See, it is added. Addition is completed. Now get back to job manager's console. Log out and log in. Because I'm using same browser, right? Sessions will be expired once I log into another. So see here, come to jobs. This time also I'm submitting a new job, but this time I am creating an application server. Earlier I started, this time I am creating a new server. Next, you see here target, we need to find the targets. Find the targets. So I'm taking deployment manager configuration. Okay, I'm not taking standalone this time. Okay, Say next. Server name, we are going to create a server name. Server 100 I am giving. Additional job parameters, you can give server template or generic port numbers. All these things are common. That is okay, leave it. And we need to provide the node name, okay, to where you want to create this server. I'm just checking deployment manager back to get the node name. Oh my god, it got. I can say node name is node 01. Okay. Come back to this story. It will be expired again if I do something. Okay, try. Node 01. Say next. Got. Again, I'm starting from the beginning, guys. Sorry. Jobs. Submit a job. Create application server. Find a node. Find a node. Select manager. Okay. Server name, any name you can give. I'm giving just 100. That is also fine. Node name, node 01. See, this is availability, as it is same options you see. These options will not change with respect to your activity. These options remain same, whatever the job you are scheduling. Just say next. Finish it up. So let me refresh again. Check. It's done. Now I'm going back to deployment manager console to see whether new server gets created or not. Log out and relog in. See, you got 100 server here. That's it. How simple it is. So to work with job manager and admin agent. Admin agent you don't use much, but job manager we are using for some environment in my organization also. So just remember, everything you can do with the help of a job manager. You can schedule jobs, you can execute the things by using job manager. That is the functionality of job manager. Any questions? Process wise, any questions? So everyone clear? Do we have any questions or everyone clear? So I'm going to
I
show
have
you
a
the
question.
same thing. Yeah, go ahead.
After assigning a job, can I delete it?
Sorry? You can.
After
See, job you can delete. But if you select run it once, right? If
yeah,
you select run it once you click on finish, initial availability it will be kicked off.
oh,
Okay, then you need to schedule for later time. Then you try to delete. Else it will
okay,
run. It will start running immediately once you create.
okay. Thank you.
Yep, no problem. So go to jobs, submit, status, right? Here you can see the status. See these two jobs are there, right? Here you can suspend if you didn't run it, right? You can delete. Resume also there. So this is how we work with job manager. Let me show you a few snippets. I mean, I have two sample videos which don't take more than 10 minutes or so. So when we go for corporate training, right? Yeah, they give me. So here I have two demo videos, two short videos. In the first one, you see how to configure admin agent to job manager and all. How to configure deployment manager to job manager and all very clearly. Whatever I did now, you are going to see again, just for clarification. And in the next video, we are going to schedule jobs and we are going to run. So I'll be on mute. Just see, follow it. It shows you everything what is doing and all. It writes on the console itself. I'm going to add like this. If you have any question, ask me. I'll just be on mute. is the configuration change we did so far. Now let us see how to schedule jobs and how to work with them. all. So this is about flexible management. I'll send you these two videos. Don't worry. Any questions regarding flexible management, guys? If job fails, right, you need to go to job manager logs first, and then you need to check. That is part of troubleshooting. And one more thing, like these all configuration, whatever I did now, right? To console, we added from consoles to job manager and all. The same thing you can do from command prompt as well, but we have to use WS admin for that. Use WS admin, JSON scripting or Jocl scripting. You can do the same things again. How to do and all there in your material. Everything is there in your material clearly. How to invoke WS admin, what is the script, everything you have in your hand. You guys try with the WS admin script. You guys try out with WS admin. I did through console, right? You try with WS admin. Instructions are there in the document I have shown yesterday, right? With you. Clear? Everyone?
I have one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I have enabled security for DMGR and not for job manager. So when trying to federate the DMGR to job manager,
Not
I'm getting an
federation.
error like,
It's not
I mean,
federation.
adding.
Yeah.
So I'm getting an error that DMGR is security enabled, and whereas job manager is not. Please make sure the both
Yes.
attributes are something like that.
Usually in organizations we maintain uniformity. So if you enable for one component, enable for everything. If you don't enable for one, disable everything. That is what we
Then
do.
how can we fix that? How can we fix that one?
So you can go to job manager and you can enable 1 minute task, right?
I mean, in the files, right?
Yeah. Not only files, there is a big process. If you want me to explain security, it takes time. It's 3 days class. I can't tell you how to enable and what to enable. So do one thing. You created everything already?
Yeah.
Do one thing. Just use manage profiles command, delete job manager profile, create job manager profile again with security this time. That is easy for now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And while adding DMGR to job manager, which authentication you have to give, either DMGR or job manager
Usually job manager.
credential?
You are in DMJ,
Okay.
right? You are trying to contact job manager. You already
Okay.
logged in with DMJ credentials. So no. Then you are doing
Okay.
right. So you must give job manager details only. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Fine guys. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.